Hi guys, this is Jill again, and I am here to unbox the items that I got from ThredUP. And so this is coming a couple of days after the box that I got from B&G, and I have not opened it yet. I've just been waiting for you all so I can open it. I just opened it enough to see if it was the box with my returns that they're going to be sending me pretty soon. Okay, so I'm opening the box and I'll show you right away what it looks like. I'm going to try to do this quickly because I have to go to a meeting here in about an hour. Okay, so ThredUP. This is my rescue box. Okay, right away I'm seeing polka dots, which I love. Okay, this is an Alex Marie polka dot dress with a pleated skirt. It's a size 8. And I don't know the brand, but I really love this style. I think this would be really cute for school, maybe. Okay, the next dress I have has a really cute floral pattern. This one is by Pink Blush, which I have also not heard of. Okay, it's really cute. Size, not seeing the size tag. Okay, but look at this color. So beautiful, kind of the mint green with the floral. Okay, again, that would be really nice. If we go back to school in September, we'll see if that's going to happen or not. Okay, already I'm loving this print. Okay, we've got another dress. This one is by Banana Republic, and this is a 10. I'm loving the print, and it's got some wide sleeves here and just kind of a sheath dress. Super cute. Okay, the next item is, oh, I grabbed two. Okay, another dress. This one is by Bam Bam. I'm not sure. Oh, you can't see that. Anyway, Bam Bam. I have not heard of this brand. I'm not seeing the size tag. It is a floral dress. Again, all of these I would really like to wear to school. And if you have a job that you're getting back to, maybe you would be interested in something like this. Looking for the size tag, not finding it, but very cute. The next piece we have is a long sleeve tee, and this is by Hello Ms. And there is some ruching on the sides. It's just like a little baseball tee. Cute. I like it. Size large. Maybe keep that for myself. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth listing. I would have to look it up. Okay, this is cute. We've got a little pantsuit here. And this is from, not seeing the tag here. Okay, but it's a little tie front. Then you've got pockets in the back. I think we've got some pockets in the front. So let me look and see if the tag's deeper down. Sorry. I'm trying to be kind of quiet because the kids are still kind of sleeping. My son is up playing a video game because he has to come to school with me today, but my daughter is still conked out. I'm not seeing a tag for this one. So, yeah, can't tell you the size or the brand on this one. All right, the next piece we have is a jacket. kind of a faux leather by Jack. It's a medium. And so this would be kind of cute for fall, maybe, like that. And then we have a top from Ink, and, or it's a cardigan. Okay, so tie in the front cardigan. You can see the pattern here. It's really cute. I like this. This is something I might wear to school. All right, next we've got a top, a little shell by Banana Republic. Got some stripes on the side here. Probably just polyester, I'm guessing. Yep, 100% polyester. It's so cute. Maybe a little sweater over it. Oh, I love the straps on this. This is by Cami, and it's a little tank top. Super cute. It is a size extra small. Okay. So that is really cute. I see a Here Comes the Sun, and I'm not sure of that brand. It sounds like something that might be Anthro, but I don't know. I don't want to get my hopes up. This is, it has a little cutout in the front. Okay, so it is a little romper. That's the word I'm looking for. White with this floral, and it is, did I say it's a size small? All right, next we've got Diane von Furstenberg. So this is a nice skirt. Let's see what it's made of. Ooh, and it's new with tags. Not seeing the fabric tag though, but it does feel a little bit like wool. Okay, so it's cute. I like the colors. This, I love the colors on. Look at this skirt. You've got the ruffles, and this is by Esprit, and it is a size. Sorry guys, I shouldn't waste all this time looking for the tags. If I don't find it right away, I'll just move on. Okay, not seeing the tag on this one, but it is super cute. I'm going to say it's probably like a size 8, somewhere in there. Okay, really cute. Next we have some Express cream pants for back to work. These are, again, not seeing the size. What's up with that, people? Where are the size tags? Okay, but they feel like a really nice material, maybe linen, nice and light for summer. Okay, this one I see a little stain on it just coming out of it, just coming out of the box. And so it's a little ASOS dress. I'll use my little stain remover on it and see if I can get that out. It's in the back. Okay, but it's cute. It's got cute colors. It's a little stripy number with a bow in the back and the cutout. And this is a size 2. All right. Polka dot. Big polka dot coming your way. All right. Oh, I love this. This is Bowden. That's why I love it. Okay. Who doesn't love Bowden? All right. So it is a dress for the office or going to work. And the material feels really nice, like linen. I don't know if I'm going to find the tag. It is a size 6 if you're interested in this. a few more pounds and maybe I'll be able to wear that one. By the way, I've lost about 100 pounds, and so if you're wondering about like my extra skin, that's where that is coming from. And so I still have a few pounds left to go until I get to my goal weight, but we're on the way. This next sweater cardigan is from Boutique, and it is a 1X, and it's nice, soft, will drape over you if you've got air conditioning at work and you need a little sweater. Next, we've got Loft. This is a tank top. It's a size large. I love this color and the style. Kind of boho in front. Really cute. Okay, the next shirt that we have is Honey Seed. I'm curious about this brand. I have not heard of it. And it's got an interesting pattern on the front. Not seeing the size tag. Not really going to waste time to look for it right now. You can see it on my Poshmark closet if you like it. Okay, this looks cute. All right, Anne Fontaine. This is a little shirt, and I just love the lace. I'm a big one for lace. Give me lace anytime. So actually it's a vest, and then in the back you have a little lace up section right here. You can see that. Super cute. I love that. I don't know if I could pull it off, but I do like it. All right, next we've got Altered State. I've had mixed success with Altered State, but I do love their style. So this is a medium top. You've got kind of their boho vibe going on. I like the crochet at the bottom, and then the sleeves are bell sleeves here. Okay, so I really do like that. The next piece is from J. Crew. Can't go wrong there, and this is super cute. Look at these ruffles. I really like this. It's a large. Okay, so I'm probably not going to wear this, but this is so cute. The material is really nice. It's stretchy. Okay, looks like we have another J. Crew. This is kind of a cream color. It's an extra large, and it has some little fringes at the bottom, tassels. My brain's not really working this morning. Okay, and the fabric feels really nice. 88%, 89% cotton. It just feels really good. This would be nice for summer. If you're looking for something in the middle, like light, but not a tank top. Okay, this, I've got like a bustier or something here. This is Miguelina. It is a size medium, and that would be what we called in college a bar top. It's like a going out top, I feel like. I'm not going to be wearing that anytime soon. The last thing I have is a Calvin Klein jacket. It's quilted brown. It is a size petite medium. It's really cute. I'm having a hard time picturing selling any of these pieces. They sell that the winter pieces sell all year round, but I don't know. I haven't had that experience really. But this is cute. I might keep this one. All right, so you all, that was my haul from ThredUP. Now, when I'm comparing the ThredUP and the B&G, I just have to keep in mind that the B&G box costs 6 times as much as the ThredUP box. The ThredUP box was $60 for 25 pieces. The B&G box was $368 once you added in shipping. And so that was also 25 pieces. And so I'm going to have to get quite a bit more for those pieces um, to make my money back on that. And I'm just not sure that I'm going to be able to do that with the pieces that were in the B&G shipment. These were much more affordable, and I feel like I got some brands that are kind of bread and butter. People are looking for them, and I should be able to make my money back a lot more quickly with the ThredUp box. And so I could see myself ordering a ThredUp box again, maybe trying some denim or some shoes. So that is my assessment of the ThredUp box, and I hope you have a lovely day. I will see you later.